In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keywords on eBay, perfect for beginners eager to optimize their listings. Successfully choosing and placing keywords is crucial in ensuring your products reach the right audience and outperform competitors. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to make your eBay listings stand out. Let's start by discussing keyword research. Just like any other online marketplace, eBay relies heavily on keywords to help buyers find what they're looking for. The first step is to conduct thorough keyword research using a reliable keyword research tool. Depending on your needs, there are various free and paid tools available online. These tools allow you to analyze which keywords people are frequently searching for, giving you an edge in understanding market demand. It's important to look for keywords that are not only popular, but also relevant to your product. This dual focus ensures that you're targeting an audience genuinely interested in your items, not just broad topics. Once you've selected the main keywords from your research, it's time to incorporate them into your eBay listing, starting with the title. Your title is crucial because it's typically the first thing potential buyers will see, and it plays a significant role in the SEO of your listing. Be sure to include these main keywords naturally within your title. Remember, the goal is to be both descriptive and concise. For instance, if you're selling a red leather handbag, make sure your title highlights the key descriptive words such as red leather handbag. It's all about anticipating what the buyer might type in the search bar. Now let's focus on your product description. This is where you can add secondary keywords that complement the main ones. The description offers more space than the title, allowing you to weave a narrative about your product's features and benefits. While crafting this text, try incorporating variation of your keywords subtly and naturally. Avoid keyword stuffing, as this can negatively impact the readability of the listing and deter potential buyers. Item specifics are another crucial area to integrate relevant keywords. eBay provides item specifics fields for you to detail specific attributes of your product, such as brand, color, size, and more. Not only does filling out these specifics help buyers find what they are looking for with accuracy, but they also strengthen your listing and search results. Ensure that these fields reflect crucial keywords that are likely to be searched by your target audience. By following these essential steps, you'll enhance your eBay listings, ensuring they are well optimized for search engines and appealing to potential buyers. Remember, the effort you put into your keywords can significantly impact the visibility and success of your products on eBay. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to implement these strategies the next time you're listing an item. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your eBay endeavors.